Right. Oh, Clint's first one. W Clint. W Clint. Grab you. And then grab this. Beautiful. Right. Everyone who's in the live already, smash the like button, and subscribe if you're new, baby. But yeah, everyone smash the like, that will help the live. Evening Clint, evening Philco, evening Steven, evening Asan, evening Gideon. You're late, pay reduced. I'm not late, am I? Oh, not really. Not really, bro. She's fine. Evening Alex, how are you doing, latecomer? I'm good, Gideon, I'm good. How are you, brother? WhatsApp? What do you mean, M4? Wait, what? What's happening on WhatsApp? Wait. M4, my WhatsApp's fine. Evening Ian, evening Jason, evening Gustus, evening Nadia. Are we breaking the cast today? M4, I bloody hope so. I bloody hope we're breaking the cast. I hope you're having a good evening. Damn hot. Clint is blooming boiling. As you can see by my trim. I'm sweating. So yeah, it's hot. It's, yeah. Honestly, I hope you're having what's it called? I hope you're having a good evening as well, Clint. I hope everyone in the live's having a good evening. Let me know how everyone's doing. Let me know if you're all good, all good. How your day was on the charts. Unfortunately, we didn't get that that buy, but that buy would have just done so well, I reckon. Like, oh, this buy down here looked so nice. Honestly. Hard take, if we hit daily open, right, and it goes well, I genuinely will see this buy as like the TP. So like around 4,390. But yeah, we'll see what this daily open has to offer. It's going to be a sell, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, man. See what happens, baby. This looks good though. Looks very good. Looks very good. Yeah, cool. 4.15R TP. Cool. Tonight's going to be a crazy trade, bro. Des, I bloody hope so. I hope we break the curse. The curse has lived on for ages, and I hope we beat the curse. Evening Big Rick, evening Chris, evening XR2, evening Jay. Hope you're on Pops as well. Me and Poppy are really good. We literally just, well, earlier we had a few drinks in the garden, and yeah, got a bit to what's it called? Can you do the daily open quickly? I've only got 6 minutes. There you go, Gustus. There's the daily open. But yeah, me and Poppy had a few drinks out in the garden. She's good, man. She's a bit tipsy, but she's good. Our loyalty will be rewarded 100%, Alex. Way past my bedtime. Louis, you'll be fine, mate. You'll be fine. I mean, what do you say? I mean, make the market move faster. Gustus, I'm sorry. Can't make the market do that, unfortunately. I wish I could. W Vantage, W John, evening Rahan, evening DI, Jay, evening Amanda, evening Motivational Feed, W brother, how are you? I'm good, bro. Bro sweating, 100% Rob, I'm sweating, mate. Evening Salam, evening Sport. This is the day we sell to the buy, full TPs. You know what, Tinson? If we do, that will be, if we sell to the buy, which is 4,389, is what I'd have TP at. Oh. That'll be 8R. That'll make back everything. So, yeah. I hope we sell to the buy. Be bloody cinema, that would. Evening Sanita. So we're waiting either for Daily Open or the Zone, given on today's live. 100% Philco. Either one. I still have the buy on Jay. Nice, Gideon, so do I. Satham, BTC, I'll, what's it called? Satham, I will look at pairs as we get to the end of the live. Midnight snacking, mate, with a winky face. Louis, don't know what you're on about, mate. I don't indulge any of those winky face, any of that winky face stuff. Did you watch the eclipse? Jason, me and Poppy did watch the eclipse, yes. Evening Chris, oh, double Chris, evening Paul, evening Lotus, Yo Pidge, W Lotus, man. Evening, Nadia. Let's make some dough. 100% alum. Should have come and seen you when I was down at the weekend, kicking myself now. Another time. 100% Louis. But Louis, there's always the best thing about life is there's always another chance. So yeah, we'll get to that. Sell to the buy, then buy to the top. 100% Tinson. If we sell to my buy and my buy runs well, we're cooking, bro. We're so cooking. Evening J marked up a very similar level. Fingers crossed. 100% Sean. Fingers crossed, baby. Louis. Proceed meteor shower tonight. Wherefore? Ooh, a meteor shower tonight. What time, Jason? Let me know what time. Because if it's a good time, I mean, look, sounds good. Right, let's set this bad boy. Bad boy. Ugh. 4408.549. Oh no, it'll be 51. Oh. And then 4410.92. Yeah, 4410. Actually, it's 94. Why did I write this up wrong? And what's the TP? 4398. Yeah, that's calm. Cool, so 4408.51. Stop at 4410.94. TP at the low. Happy with that. TP at the low there, and then this can be cool. Happy with that. All good. What's your buy, Jay? Paul, my buy is down here. I have a buy limit thing set on it as well. There you go. So that's my buy pool. So you've got, as you can see here, my buy limit. Let me check the screen. Yeah, my buy limit's there. 4 AM. Oh, fair enough. After 12, there'll be lots. Oh, nice, Jason. I'm excited. We also have Max Front at your buy. He has 9-1, I think. 9-1. Yeah. Oh, bro, if it's his buy and doesn't it mine. Rah! But yeah, this buy here, perfection. Yes, JW Joe, man. I've seen a few already. Nice, Jason. Fingers crossed for the 100 XR2, 100. Buy level still. Yes, it is, Ian. Being an ex-Navy lad, I bet you indulge in a drop of rum. Oh, Big Rick, don't even get me started on rum, mate. God, it's dangerous. It's booming dangerous. But yes, Big Rick, I do indeed. I do love me a rum and coke. That is, yeah, that's a hard one to get rid of. Hey, Jad, how are you? Is that a plus setup? Yes, this is daily open setup. Yes, 4388. Yeah. Poppy. You alright? Louis said, ask Poppy, would she like a cream or brown Coach bag next if she had to choose?
Brown.
She said brown. You can go back to bed now. You okay? But yeah, she said brown, Louis. Oh, Lady H said brown as well. Is brown a dub? So he said brown's a dub. Evening, Nisa. How are you, brother? How are you? Proper Navy. Yeah, 100%, Chris. 100%. Love a bit of rum, man. But yeah, guys, we've got gold marked up. Gold looks good. Everything looks happy with that. Let me know what you guys want to see in terms of what was it called? In terms of like levels. Let me know what pairs you want me to mark up. Everything like that. Shopping for Lily. Was thinking brown. Two confirmed. Sick. Thanks all. Thanks, Poppy. Good night. Louis getting Lily, his girlfriend, a brown Coach bag. Yeah, she's best pleased with that. What if buys triggered first, then Tinson? We'll have a different daily open. I'm not gonna lie, I probably wouldn't take it. I'd just let that buy run, baby. But yeah, we'll see. You ladies never want anything. Louis, have you not learnt this about girls? They never want anything cheap, bro. They never. They love all the expensive everything that like ladies like. They just like everything a lot of money. That's where we gotta make a lot of money. That's how it is, Louis, brother. Evening, John. How are you? Evening, John. You good? All good. All good. Let's get back to the win. 100%, Issa. 100%. Hi, Ash. You good? You good? Yeah, guys, let me know in the chat what I have a buy limit at 4374, 4370, but it is Oanda. Okay, fair enough. Evening, Sean. Jay, I'm still waiting for you to take me on my date. Issa, whenever you want, bro. Let me know. You have to speak to Poppy though. She might not be happy with that, bro. I'm just saying, Poppy might be not happy with that. But yeah, guys, let me know what pairs you want me to mark up. Obviously, we've got Gold's Daily Open. And we've got a buy limit down below. So ideally TPing at the buy limit would be nice. So TP on this for an 8R and then catch the buy, ride it all the way up. That would be cinema. Do I have to reduce my risk because of drawdown? So now I'm risking 9.7 on the sale and 6.6. Nice, Gideon. You can sneak out, she won't know. For real, man, I know, trust me, might have to bring the coin flips back out to determine Lily's requests. That coin works 100%, Louis. 100%. Naz Daily Open. I got you, Tinson. Let's get locked in on Naz, baby. So Daily Open here. Naz has opened weird with the Daily Open. I don't like that. But Naz Daily Open would be this. Something like this. 29674.9. SL is 29722.3 and entry is 29713. Sorted. That would be Naz Daily Open. Tinson. Naz Daily Open sell is right there. So I have to see. Jay, can you pull your fib for me again as I'm 2 pips off yours? Which one, Jason? The gold one? The gold one? For Daily Open or for the buy? Just let me know Daily Open or buy and then I'll pull it. Wait, which... Bro said yes. Oh no, I'm confused. Daily Open or... DO or buy? Daily... Oh, okay. Here you go, Jason. Look, so... Make sure it's on FXCM chart. Pull from this high here down to this low. And there you go. To be fair, it's 4.8 now. You know what, Jason? If it's around where my entry is, it's fine. Like that's what I've got. I've got 5.1 now. I've got 4.8. When Daily Open hits, everyone spam 6.7 to break the curse. Oh God, Philco, Jesus. But yeah, Jason, it says 4.8 now on my screen. It did say 5.1, then it said 4.8. So yeah, you know what, Jason? Whatever whatever, what's it called? Whatever it were, whatever, like, it's the same thing, do you know what I mean? 2 pips don't really matter when gold, like, rushes into it, so it should be alright. But yeah, I will do 5-1, because that's what I pulled, so yeah, I'll do 5-1, but look, if it is 4-8 and drops, bro, will be cooking. Check your MT5, what was that candle open for the day? What do you mean? The daily candle? Is that what you're looking at? But yeah, I've seen daily open candles, kind of crazy, innit? Just look at it fly. Mad. That daily candle's mad. Oh, you're looking at this. Oh, it went higher on MT5. Yeah. Like, I'm going off FXCM, innit? I'll send you. No, I've already got it, Issa. I already looked. Yeah, it went up to like 411, didn't it? No, I'm keeping it like this on FXCM. Is what it is. Do you have your NAS chart on FX chart? Sport, I use capital.com for what's it called, for NAS, just because that's like the first one that comes up. But if you guys want me to use a different chart for NAS, I got you. I'll use a different chart. I honestly don't mind. I'll send you. Oh yeah, happy with that, Issa. Yes, thanks. All good, Jason. But yeah, let's go through what we marked up. So we got NAS sell. That's calm. Bitcoin opened on. Wait, it opened at 4,360. Wait, what? Did it on your MT5? No way. What? It didn't do that on my MT5, Issa. Issa, what is that on your MT5? Jesus. That's mental. You know what? Why did Bitcoin... It got into your buy and straight to TP. That's mad. What? Bro, Bitcoin's daily open would have cooked, I think. Daily open at this low. Pull to this high. Oh. Actually, yeah, it would have. It would have wicked on round 1R minimum. Surely, right? It would have been 1R. Oh, yeah, she would have run massive. 1.3R, look at that. W Bitcoin daily open win. Daily open win on Bitcoin is what he does. It got into your buy and straight to about 10-second trade, 1R secured. W. Yeah, Issa, it's on demo. Oh, I've set your buy. I've set your buy again. Lol. That's mad that happened. Why? Why did it drop that low, bro? I don't get it. Weird. Weird one. But yeah, apart from this sell limit up here. Wait, oh, I forgot. I need to redo the sell limit. 66432. Around there. Stop at what? 66972. 66972. And then stop at the low. TP's all the way down here somewhere. So yeah, that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin. Around there, yeah. Still got this BTC limit that we're looking at. Because it closed this 1 hour before and processed it. Oh, there you go, Philco. Yeah, I thought so. Evening, Alex. Evening. How are you, Alex? You good? GU. Oh, yeah, we saw this buy limit. That's calm. Orange juice. Oh, it's coming down to the banger. Chat, when this orange juice banger hits, it's gonna be aura. It's gonna be aura, mate. Honestly, crazy. Evening, Will. How are you? Evening, Will. You good? Good to see you in the live, brother. Just jumped in. You haven't really missed much. So yesterday I said gold will sell, and y'all was saying it will get to 4,500 easy. Well, guess I wasn't wrong. What's it called? Chuko. I didn't say what's it called. Gold would get. By the way, NFP hasn't even hit. So one, you're chatting bollocks. Because NFP, there was no NFP, it was CPI. And two, right, I didn't say it was going to hit 4,500 tomorrow. I said 4,500 is a good level. So this guy is chatting. Didn't realise you made loads of money and not bought AC yet. Yeah, well, I got a fan. We chillin'. We chillin', bro. We chillin'. We chillin' all day. Oh, where we are now in price, actually, a nice level for German 40. Yeah, previous daily open and daily open. This looks nice. Let's see, let's see. I'm obviously not going to take this, but if we put if we long here, this looks really nice. We'll stop at the daily low and target the all-time high. This looks nice for a buy right now on German 40. We'll come back to this at the end of the live and see what happens. But yeah, a little 4R, that looks nice. That does. I think this looks really nice. UJ, what we got on here? Oh yeah, we still got. Oh wait. Jay, you play BOT 100%, bro. Is Orange Juice the new map? 100%, Alex. What you playing out? What do you mean? Well, news was like neutral. Yeah, Philco. Basically, I expected it to come out bullish. To be fair, like bullish for gold. I mean, it came out neutral and then went bullish for gold. It was weird. It was a weird CPI, but that's good. Because, yeah, it's cooking now anyway. So, yeah, I don't mind that at all. Right, we still got a buy zone here, which is nice on UJ. Let's quickly pull this. Like that. Cool. What's that? Is that previous daily? Yeah, previous daily. And it's previous low, so we'll have previous low. That's cool. And then we'll, what's it called? Grab this, put the coordinates in. Cool. That's fine. Happy with that. 15-minute gold chart. Is that a head and shoulders that didn't break the neckline? Let me look now, actually. Let me have a look on it for you. Oh, we're coming up to daily open now. Ooh, interesting. Head and shoulders that didn't break the neckline. Let's have a look. I mean, I see what you mean. Are you talking like this is like the... This is the head. This is the shoulder here. Head here. And then shoulder like that. Well, maybe. I mean, look. Ash. We could get the drop down now through the neckline. So, I wouldn't say it's failed yet. If daily open comes in, we're cooking. Yeah, if daily open comes in, we're flying. But yeah. Come on, you meant, you know I meant CPI. Well, Chuko, you said NFP, so I don't think you did mean CPI anyway. Pay me, I'll come install it cheap, you buy the beer. Will, I'm down, bro. AJ, we need to run some nuke Jack, let me know. Ooh, you know what, Issa, I'll run S&D. S&D's aura. S&D's cold, bro. Is this the same guy as yesterday who said, why are you buying, or am I bugging you? I don't know, Alex. Gold is coming, 100%. Chris, me too, stolen posture. W Big Rick, bro. What make do you recommend? Barely broke above even today. Wasted time, should have stayed out of the market. Well, whenever you what's it called? Whenever you you think that, you know, prices are gonna do, or whenever you think in like general, right? That that what's it called? That like You normally get a feeling if the market ain't gonna go for you. So when you get that feeling, just yeah, like you said, just stay out, bro. Felt like gold went bullish and broke new highs until CPI means you were wrong last night. Oh, go on, Dave. Have him, Dave. Go on, Dave. I was trying to buy the dips on YouFunded as I had it on my live, and my funded and didn't realise when you do that on YouFunded, it doesn't add a new order. It just moves your current order. Oh God, Chris. Oh no, Chris, that's no good, chat. That is no good. That is horror. Yeah, I forgot YouFunded do that as well. Uh-oh. That is so bad though, isn't it, really? When you think about it, that is so shit. There's no way it makes a new order. That's... yeah. Not a fan of that. 1R break even. Right, let's see what happens here. Yes, it's the same guy, Alex. Oh, Alex gonna have him. Someone let me know when our daily opens tagged in. Because I'm gonna go through, look at some other pairs right now. Ooh. GJ's looking good. Dave, I didn't say it was going to sell right away. Was just trying to say it was going to give the pump y'all. Just say it was going to give the pump y'all were expecting. Have we got another guy that doesn't know English? I don't know. Ooh. Previous week, previous daily. Nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Grandad just dropped a buy level. Wait, what? Where is it, Issa? Where's Grandad's buy level? Bro, no one can predict the future, especially gold. It's just what we think and have most sense. That's obviously Typo J. Come on, cut me some slack. Well, Juco, lock in, bro. Whenever I have an argument, yeah, I'll always check my spelling and always check my comments. Hell no. Bro, if I had an argument, all I'm saying is I would never go on a live and argue, yeah? But if I did, yeah, and I wanted to argue against someone, I would make everything perfect so the person couldn't say anything about me. But you're just leaving gaps for people to just take the piss. So yeah, just an L argument really. I expected more from you. That's all. I just expected more. Right, that's cool. Happy with that. GJ sorted. Euro AUD. Oh my god, yes. Euro AUD's coming down to our buy level finally. Brandon got a buy limit at 4368, good level. He literally said, and I quote, gold's literally going to 3,400. 3,000. Wait, what? 3,400 after CPI. Why people are buying gold is silly. Oh. Oh god, Chuko. Oh no. Chat. It might be cooked. Still waiting. That's fine. Connect the lows it made. It's about to break out. Let me have a look. What did he say? 5 minute? Did he say 5 minute? Musical. Yeah, he did. What lows musical? What lows are you on about? These? Connect the what? 5 lows? Connect the what? Connect the lows it made. It's about to break out. Break out where? What, this low? These lows like this? And then this? Maybe this? Something like this. Wait, him saying that's just made it so... If we sell off, yeah, this guy just made me pull trend lines that actually make this sell look so nice. If we come up here and tap, holy... Wait, hang on a minute. Musical might be cooking. Chat, musical might be cooking here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 taps. Wait, where's it going to break out from musical? What, to the upside, do you think? Into our stop? But to be fair, if it doesn't, I mean, this is coming to the downside as well, right? So if this comes to the down... Oh, wait, hang on. Oh, no, that wouldn't look good. We need, like, this, maybe. Oh my god, it connects to this high, doesn't it? Oh, no. Wait. Oh, my god. One last low before the breakout. Oh, this would look so... Right. This would look so nice if we, like, came up here, tapped this, dropped below, tagged that, and flew. Oh, my god, that would be cinema. In my MT5, highs at 11, also CME futures gold was at 70 for different uses. I'm going to test with CME futures prices too, because that's universal, I think, and doesn't change actually. Fair enough, Maze. Gold just got 100%. Brandon's TP3 is the same with your buys TP. Which one? The 4441, Gideon. It's very sensitive, right? Hi Jay, what price did you put the gold B for 1R? Please, I can't see on the chart, and MT5 won't give me the sell template to see it either. 1R is... Hang on, I'll type it on here. 44. Who's that? Ems, I'll show you here. That's 1R. So it says 4406.6. To 4460, then a little drop, and on to 4505. Imagine. It looks good. Yeah, I feel it does. To the upside, and it will retest, and we will collect that. You know what, musical? The one thing I want to see, personally, I want to see our daily open tag. So, our daily open tag like this, drop through, straight down to 4388, and then our impulse move to the upside, collect 4500, and I don't care where it goes from then. But that's the main thing with me. But we might break out this trend line. However, the trend line does give us more resistance than I actually expected. So yeah, we'll have to see what happens. We'll have to see what happens, man. Yes, Jay, it's 4441.3. Boom. Good TP, that. Good TP. It was really good TP, actually. Thank you. All good, Ems. Hello, DXT. How are you, brother? Let's, right, while we wait for this gold to mince about, see what else we got in here. EU. Did I mark up anything on this bad boy? Oh, I did. Oh. Oh, give me this. Give me this. Oh my god, it reacted off those highs, look. The trend line off these highs. What a reaction. Did that tap? Hang on. I think it just did. Ooh, inches. I'm good. How are you? I'm good, bro. I'm good. Good to see you in the live, man. Good to see you in the live. But yeah, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you like up the live. Like up the live, baby. And if you're new, defo subscribe. We cooking, man. We cooking. Let's cool. That's against all the highs. Oh yeah, would have tapped like just. But yeah, we got this. To be fair, we've got this this buy zone, so I'll actually keep that there. That looks nice. What do we have on Silv? Oh yeah, this buy zone on silver. Oh my god. I'm just gonna keep this running, see how much we could have made. See how much R we could have made. How much has this gone now? If you took this buy zone on silver, right, 22R, that's mad, isn't it? In a buy from 4389, A86 ideal. Nice! Nice, Joe. Do you trade order flow? I do not. DXJ, I trade volume of Fibonacci. This daily open going to pop off. You know, I hope so, Joe. I hope so. Jay, you're working day after day like a machine. When you get yourself a little trip or something, you definitely deserve it, bro. Philco, go in the Discord and ask Max. Tell Max that Jay needs a break. W Philco, man. Yeah, go tell Philco. Go tell Max that Jay needs a break. Because I agree. I need a break as well. Bro's working me too hard, man. No, I'm joking. He's not. He's not. I'm chilling, bro. They use CPI to collect sell liquidity. It's never going below the low it just created. You know what? I don't hate that. I don't hate that idea. But to be fair, where was CPI? F1, yeah. Let's have a look at this. It's not going well. Yeah, I agree actually. Musical. If it taps 4388, yeah, that's all of the liquidity I would want for us to enter that buy. 4388 wouldn't. I've got my stop at that liquidity low as well. So musical. My buy is at 4388, and the stop is here, under this low. The stop is at the low of CPI. So I do agree that I don't think we'll see CPI low, but I just want to get in the buy beforehand. Brandon's got the same sell. Wait, really? Looks also like a massive bull flag, I think, from the levels from the news. Yeah, Ash, you know what? I do hear it. It looks like a bullish pennant, 100%. Like pennant into. We've seen this again here. Like, look, if I draw like a thing across this, bullish pennant here, probably just another pennant here, right? And then look, we had this one as well, another pennant, or a more asymmetrical triangle. But yeah. It always happens. We get all those. Let's actually I'll delete this because that's invalidated now. But yeah, I do agree. It does look like a bullish flag. Like always, it loves a bit of a bullish flag. But if it takes these lows, if it takes this volume here, pushes down and bounces, I would love that. I think that would be insane. Looks also like a massive. Oh yeah, was that silver buy zone also daily open one? Maze, it wasn't. That silver one was just a random zone I marked up, and as you can see, it ran 22.34 hours so far. So yeah, it looked good. Any ultra? I don't know, Ricky. Maybe. Gold J. Yeah, somewhere on gold. Brandon, still your daily open. Well, M4. That's calm. Yeah, I mean that's calm, but it is what it is. Wow, Philco, we need Jay working all hours of the day. We can all chip in for his months. Dub. Nice, man. May you explain support and resistance? I have your similar training style, but it's quite confusing. Basically, the way I look at support and resistance, DX, is I go on like the 30-minute, right? And you look at where price normally respects, or look, if you just look at stuff like this, right? For example, ignore all the shit on the chart. If you just grab, right, the way I look at support and resistance is, you grab this, see how these candles closed here, right? Like, I'll grab this, and this is nice resistance here, right? Because look, we had 2 taps of this, and it respected it. So when I see 2 taps of something, I always look at just extending it. And then also, if you're on like the 1 hour, you could look back as well. There's probably something there that also is like lows or something. So if I extend this out like this, if I can grab this, there you go. Look, extending that out, look, you can see here, if we zoom in, from whenever this was, so from June the 3rd, we had lows as well. So we've got previous support and previous resistance. So that's all I do. That's the way I use support and resistance. I just look at it on the chart. When we see 2 taps of it, I'll look back in price, and if there's resistance there as well, looks good. So yeah, that's why I use support and resistance. Is honestly all it is price comes here, price rejects, price comes here, price supports, and then once you see a few taps on the higher time frame, looks good. So that's exactly what I look at. What happening with Nas has been bouncing big legs for ages, now just bouncing in range. Well, Nas, as we all know, you look at Nas, right, like this, go on Nas, you go on the 30-minute, and look, all you see is just what Nas loves to do. Just mince about, like here, mince about, push, mince about, push, All it's doing is mincing before impulse moves, and that's what NAS does best. We've got the 4-hour alert. Right. See here. We get an impulse move to the upside like this. Mince, impulse move, mince in here, and then we'll have an impulse move to the upside. So yeah, that's the one thing. Will like NAS will just what's it called? NAS will just do its thing. It'll mince about in a range and then push up. Discord just got swammed, did it? Really need to pick just a few trades these last weeks. Slowly, will always slowly catchy monkey, bro. Slowly catchy monkey, always. Let's zoom in, see if our daily open's been tapped. Still mincing about. See what happens. What happened, Ash? What happened to Discord? J bro, you are in. Asan, I'm not. No. We got 4048.51 as entry. Hello from Iran. Hello Mohammed. Hello. Where are you from? I'm from the UK, brother. So is the sell limit still valid? Yes, it is. I've got it on the chart. It's still valid. Everything's still valid. Yes. You put the daily open the copy. I am Chris. Yes, I am. Copier is getting the daily open trade. Yes, it is. I got it last night as well, to be fair. Okay, all good, Asan. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Mohammed. Nice to meet you too. How are you, brother? How are you? Let me know how you are. I was on an NQ trade earlier when Trump tweeted. I was on about 3.6k profit after the tweet. Trading view as usual bugs. They wouldn't let me cancel the trade. I refreshed the page and only bagged 500. Typical. James, that would crash me out. I'd be real. If you're trying to... Look, James, if you were trying to close that, yeah, and you're moving like... You're moving that, what's it called? If you're moving 3.6 grand and you're trying to cancel the trade, yeah, and you've got fucking... You got that, bro, I'd crash out. I'll be so real, James. So yeah, I'm glad at least you bagged something, however. But yeah. However, I'm still not best. I wouldn't be pleased with that. 500's good. Profit is profit. As people say, profit is profit, yeah. But fuck me. 3.6 grand is more than profit. That's a monthly wage, bro. Is this trade out? No, it is Asan. It isn't Asan. It's mincing about almost. Just been tapped for my entry. Oh, hang on. I'm not in, no. If anyone's asked, I'm not in this trade yet. I'm still waiting for it to tap. We'll see. It could just push without us, to be fair. Well, without me anyway. But if you're in, if it goes 1R, basically, if you get in any of my trades and it goes 1R, just set break even and I'll cancel it. Basically, if we're at 1R now, I'll just leave. I'll just cancel mine. But yeah, see what happens. I'm in. Oh, people are in. Mad. What's your just been tapped? Right, I'm going to see people are in. I'm not, but I'm just going to see people are. Naz is a no-go for me until further notice. Well, Naz is very unforgiving. I'll be so real. Naz is very unforgiving. What's it called? It will do everything and then kind of just, yeah. Sometimes if your idea isn't right, it won't play into your idea a little bit. It'll just be like, fuck you. Fuck your idea. So yeah, that is just Naz. I'm not. Okay, cool. I'm not in yet, but we'll have to see. We'll have to wait. We'll have to wait and see who gets in. Oh, let me look at my MT5. And I am in now. I've been tapped now, yeah. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, I am in our sell now. We'll have to see what happens. Very impulsive candle to the upside, which, yeah, we'll have to see if it rejects or not. Just got in. Yeah, happy days. I'm in. Everyone's in. Cool. This trade has my blessing. Right. So as soon as you put, whoever said that, you've just ruined it. You're ruining it, man. You're ruining it. Bro said this trade has my blessing, and then it just jumps into stop loss. Oh my god, what a rejection. Oh yes, that rejection's insane. That's what I'm talking about. Insane rejection. Love that. Love that. Right, let's mark. Oh, I've just accidentally done this. Cool. Right, that rejection is really nice, but this next candle needs to go to the downside, ideally. Ideally down to the downside. Tapped in 4408.5. Oh, very nice. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? What's happening with price? Insane. Madness. Wow. Price is moving at this area. Good to see though. Very good to see. Right. Let's hope we get that 1R, baby. Don't say that, Jay, you'll jinx it. Jason, I can't jinx it any more than I already have. I've been cursed for the past 2 weeks. It doesn't matter about jinx anymore, Jason, alright? Because I'm already cooked. Alright? I'm already cooked. So don't worry about that, Jason. I've already been... Listen, if this goes... I'm so... What's it called? Too many mans on the A6 market open. Well, bro. But yeah, Jason, I've already been cursed. I've been cursed on the... What's it called? I've been cursed on lives since the start of this month. This month has cursed me. So, you know, I don't care about jinx and all that bollocks. Because I'm cursed anyway. Do you know what I mean? It is what it is, bro. How long have you... Samid, I've been trading... I don't even know how long. Too long. Can you not see my eyeballs? Can you not see the bags in my eyes? I'm cooked, bro. But yeah, a long time. What's your P&L of this month? Oh, what's your name? Usama, I don't even want to talk about this month. This month has been horrendous. Honestly, I've been cooked. I've been cursed. Someone has put like some voodoo stuff on me because this month I've been finished. But however, I will tell you about the last 2 months. Last month I did 40R, and last month and the month before that, so I did 40R in what's it called? What was the month before this? July. So I did 40R in July, and then I did 33 in June, I think. So yeah, I did about on my live account. I did about 80R in the last 2 months. But this month's been cooked. I've been cooked this month. So yeah. I'm just waiting for a 15-minute bearish rejection from the point of control. Oh, go on, Ricky. Go on, Beast. You can't jinx it more than live YouTube. Exactly, Will. Exactly. You know what, yeah? Live YouTube, we've been jinxed for bloody yonks, mate. You know what? I wouldn't even... At this point, this sounds really bad. Like, really, really bad. But at this point, I wouldn't even, yeah, be, like, blown away if this hits stop loss. Because I have been killed. This month has killed me. I've been beaten every day. Every day I come on this live stream, yeah, and I do this, right? I do this for the view. I do this for you, man, yeah? I come on here, mark up shit, like, chat to you, man. You're all like, oh, how's your day been? I'm like, I'm telling you my day's been fine. But I'm telling you right now, it's fucking not fine, alright? I've been cooked. So yeah. I don't even want to talk about our day, bro. I'll be so real. Hello, bro. Sell or buy? I'm looking at a sell, Zaytuni. World's best dynamo trader, can't be cursed. That's BS. Clint, I am cursed. Hold up, I'm interested. What's your profit factor overall? That's the measurement, right? What do you mean, William? You're killing me? Musical. I'm glad I can make you I'm glad I make you happy, bro. But yeah, as I've said, no one can curse me as much as I've been cursed already. You know what? Jinx it. I'll be like, this is gonna hit full TP. Boom. Because I'm telling you right now, I do not care, right? I come on this live stream every day. I will do exactly what I've done the last few months. And well, not last few months, the last fucking year, mate. Right? I come on here, do exactly what I'm going to do the last year, and I've done it, and it's worked. However, this month I've been cooked, and that is completely fine. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if this hits stop loss. I wouldn't be surprised if it hits TP, because I've seen both, and I've seen all today. Right, all the TPs we've had, it's all catching up, and that's completely fine, right? Because life is about tests, right? And this is a test, and this month has been a test for me, and I'm completely fine with that. So yeah. Hi mate, hope you're well. Just joined. What is the sell level? I just watched what I thought was your live, but was the afternoon session. Rosso, bro. The sell level's this, Rosso. I'll pull this across for you. But yeah, considering we haven't hit stop loss yet, it's good to see. However, I don't know, bro. Look, it's good to see, but Honestly, the way this month's going, I wouldn't be surprised if this is stop loss. 6-7. Oh my god. Everyone spam 6-7 in the chat. That might be the one that makes us... If you all spam 6-7 and it's stop loss, this month is truly cursed. Because if not... If 6-7 works, we just need 6-7 every live. Straight down to T... This is about to cook straight down to TP? I hope so, Jason. Oh my god, everyone's spamming 6-7. Right. Time frame. I'm on... What's it called? I'm on the 1 minute time frame right now. God damn, you're not motivating at all. Listen, right? Drokaya, yeah? I ain't here to be motivating, yeah? I'm here to be real, right? People come on here and they expect me to be like, trading's going to change your life. It will, if you go through this shit. If you go through this shit, right? It will change your life. However, it's not about, like... What does the daily open mean? So, I have my own strategy, which is called the daily open strategy, right? So when gold opens, yeah? When gold opens, I use the high or low, depending on the impulse move is. If we impulse move to the downside, I look for the high before daily open, before like the open, or I look for the low if it's a buy, and then I target the 886 on my stop at the 1.1 fib. That is my daily open strategy. But yeah, I've backtested it and everything, so yeah, this is just a strategy I made. I had 2.5 last week, revenged the fuck out of my account yesterday and blew it 2 days from payout. You know what, Will? The one thing is about this, yeah, is... The one thing about blowing your accounts is you will never, ever, ever do it again. Because you've seen that payout, you almost had it, and now you've lost it. That feeling, you can never, ever, ever feel like that again. Because I'm telling you, bro, you will get a payout now. After experience that, you'll get a payout. Because experiences make you better. Like this experience, me losing quite a lot, is making me a better trader. Because I'm learning to deal with the losses, right? I'm learning to deal with all the losses that I've already been through. So, yeah. I honestly, everything bad that happens to you, I believe, is meant to happen. And, like, yeah. Everything bad that happens to you is meant to happen. And there's always a reason for some things. There's always a reason. Like, if this is stop loss, there's a reason for that. And if it's TP, there's a reason for it. So, yeah. I always believe everything happens for a reason. I'll find the equation for it. Alright, cool. Discord... Ricky, if you go onto my, go onto my YouTube profile and click more info on my description, you can then click on my link, which then will take you to my personal assistant, Elise, and then she can onboard you in the group, and then you can speak to me on Discord there. Bro, don't mind, but your SL is going to hit within 1 minute. You know what, Mamzari? I don't care. If it does, it does. The life of trading is, if it's your stop loss, you just move on. Listen. you have seen, like, if you've been on the lives, right, you've seen my daily open hit you've seen my daily open hit TP, you've seen it hit stop loss. It happens, right? And for example, right, my daily open last month, yeah, where hit TP 6 times in a row, and TP's about 4R, so that's like what, 24R. So for example, we lost daily open quite a few times this month. 1 TP pretty much saves the whole of the losses. So, yeah, honestly, I'm not bothered about if it's stop loss or not. I know if 1 win on daily open comes in, right, we've literally made back all the losses. I've seen my daily open, yeah, so on live stream, I've seen my daily open hit 64R, which is, if you risk $1,000, you made 64 grand. You know how crazy that is, bro? You know how mental that is? And by the way, whoever said it's going to hit stop loss within 1 minute, get mugged, because it didn't, did it? I love when people try and predict the chart. You can't predict this, bro. You said it was going to hit stop loss within 1 minute. Mate, it's been 2 minutes. Get out, bro. Get out, man. Best loser wins 1 ton. Thanks, bro. Just got W. Ricky, man. Great book. Best loser wins a brilliant book. Cena hit 40R. W. Now I believe. Let's go. Let's go DI, bro. Oh, you survived. Congratulations. W Mazari. Bro knows. Bro knows I'm cooking. I am a survivor. What's your SL based on? So Mookit, what my SL is based on is, so the high, right? The high, I don't have, so when I was back testing, yeah, the high of the daily open strat, so the high I pulled it off, or the low, it would normally get taken and used as liquidity. So that's why I use my stop as the 1.1 fib, so it's a bit just above the high or low. So for example, it can take the liquidity use the liquidity to then push us further to the downside for a continuation of whatever, if it's a buy or a sell. So yeah, the reason I've got 1.1 fib is to allow for liquidity to be taken, and for spreads, obviously, because spreads on daily open is mental. So yeah. Evening, Hassan. Mans needs to profit for a new stopwatch. Go on, Will. I just want 1R. Tinson, believe. Believe. My strat says it's going down now. Jason, if it says it's going down, yeah, I don't know. I don't see no 6-7 in the chat. So get the 6-7s in. 6-7 pushes the. I heard 6-7 pushes it to TP. That's what I heard. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. But if you start spamming 6-7 and it goes up, maybe you can't spam 6-7. Maybe 6-7's cursed. Maybe we're cursed and the 6-7's cursed. Maybe everything's cursed. 6-7 on Merry Christmas. Okay, right. M4, get out. You're going to push it to stop loss now. 6-7 on Merry Christmas is just, no. Are you already in this trade? Yes, I am, Musli. I am in this trade. Kick it down for God's sake, at least to BE. There you go. There you go, Reese. If you want to get out of BE, it's your time, brother. BE is there. 6-7. I'm taking the trade in futures, so I got the tip PF that through the 76. Let's see now. Oh, let's see, James. I think we started losing since the 6-7 is here. 6-7 fib is BE. Bro. Jesus. 6-7. What are you trading? Speed, I'm trading gold, XAU USD. When you confirm this trade to achieve the what do you mean, Hassan? What do you mean? What do you mean when you confirm this trade? What does that mean? What does that mean, Hassan? Do you mean like what do I need to enter the trade? Like what do I need confirmation wise? Let me know. Let me know what you meant. What you mean by that. Dum 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 dum. What is the next confirmation candle? Hassan, I don't have any confirmation candles or anything. I literally, Hassan, it's easy to say, literally, pull the fib, have your entry at this, if it retraces and tags, that's it. Yeah. Honestly, the daily open strategy is the easiest strategy I've ever used in trading, and it is the best one, in my opinion, I've ever used. Because, right, you literally pull a fib and have an entry, and you don't have to think of anything. It's great. You can literally go, I can literally go right now, go get in bed and have an alert at 1 hour and alert at stop loss, and then just let it run, bro. What do you think of this price action? Tinson, I quite like it. Considering we haven't hit stop loss yet, I'm happy. I'm happy. The only concern I've got with this daily open strat now is that this trend line is providing support for the bullish momentum, which is what I don't like. However, that's not going to change anything within this strategy. I'm still going to hold it. I don't care. I'm still going to hold and see what happens. So yeah. What's this trend line on your chart, Dave? I'll show you now. If you go on the 30-minute right and you look at price, zoom in like this. Actually, you know what? We'll go on the 5 minutes so you can see more candles. But here you go, Dave. As you can see here, this trend line here is basically the top of this bullish pennant that I've drawn out. So as you can see, high here, high here, high, high. High's tapped in there, high, and then I'm hoping that this high as well acts as the resistance that I need for this daily open strat. So that's the only reason I've got that on the chart, Dave. Hope that makes sense, brother. Hope that makes sense. We're hitting TP today, and I'll regret risking less than my usual, but I don't mind. A win builds 100% Gideon. A win always builds momentum. I agree. I 100% agree. It seems like a head and shoulders in 15-minute, right? Let me have a look. Let me have a look for you. Who said that? Yes, it does. I agree. You've got like a head here. Oh, that's a fib. Got like head here. No, left shoulder here. Head. then maybe a shoulder. I don't know. Oh, maybe you're talking about this one actually. Wait, I'm looking too far into this. Maybe this. Yeah, this looks good. Like a little, it's a tiny one. A little tiny one, but like maybe like a shoulder ear, head ear, and then like a random shoulder ear. Yeah, I like that idea. Let me go on the 5 minute, it will look better. Yeah, like a, let me get rid of this. Get rid of these trend lines. Yeah, I like that. Here's your shoulder. Ear. There's your head. And there's your shoulder ear. No, I agree. Who said that? W. Lorenzo, man. Did you invent the strat? Philco, I did. I made this myself. Yes, I did. Backtested it, did everything myself. Everything of this strat is mine. No one else helped. It was just me, myself, and I, brother. Hello, Masnock. How are you? How are you, brother? How often do you trade live? Speed. I trade live every day. I trade New York session. I trade Asia. So I trade anywhere in the New York session. It normally depends. In my Discord, I release when I go live, and then it's between like 11 to like 6 p.m. maybe later. But yeah, New York session. I trade live. Yeah. Sometimes bad luck has nothing to do with voodoo. It can be as simple as your mates being jealous at you for the fact that you are doing better than them. Exactly, musical. Honestly, bad luck can just be anything, and that's what I believe. Like musical, if bad things happen in life, like I understand why. Like I get it. Do you know what I mean? Everything happens for a reason, man. Honestly, I see it. That trend is about to get owned. I hope so, Jason. Evening J, been in a buy since 4,400. I would happily forsake the profits for your daily open hit after the month we've had on it. Bro, 6, 7. You know what, Chicksy? I hope this isn't a stop loss now because I feel bad else. I'll be so real. What if 4406.06 TP hit but my buy trade still open? I don't know, Tinson. Is that with what's it called? What's that with? What do you mean in terms of that? Like, what if this hits and you've got your buy still open? Depends what platform you use. Let's go, Dub. Thank you. All good. Thanks, bro. All good, Salam. Jay, are you holding for full TP or TP1? Gideon, I will hold for TP1 and then leave a runner for TP2. That's normally how I use it. Size means nothing. That's what my wife says. W, Jason's wife. If this hits our sales because Brandon cursed it, yeah, I agreed. Agreed, Tinson. 24-hour live. You know what, Uncle? I was actually thinking. Someone asked me to do like an 8-hour live, and I actually would do that. I'd do like New York, or I could do like 11 a.m. to like 8 p.m. UK time. That'd be like a nice like live. Do you know what I mean? This trend line, that trend line is an arse. Yeah, it is Sadlan, but if we break through it, you know it's cooking then, don't you? Is the goat strat Dub J W Clip man? If bad luck is jealous people, someone must hate me at the moment. Alex, how do you think I feel? How do you think I feel, brother? I've seen 4 meteors play. I've seen 4 meteors now. This is amazing. Nice, Alex. I hope you succeed. W Mohammed, brother. W Mohammed. Mohammed, I hope you succeed. I hope you have the most success in the world. I hope everything, bro. Honestly, positive vibes. I think everyone in this live, I wish you all literally success, the most success in the world, man. W everyone in the live, man. Bro, we all team J, let's go, Dub. W Chicksy, man. Quote of the day, every problem / loss an opportunity. 100%, Joe, 100%. Big love, we would have to all big love, we would have to all eat lunch together. You know what, Rosso, I'm down. Rosso, give me a place, give me a time, I'm there, bro. Thanks for your positivity. All good, Mohammed. Always, bro. Always. Honestly, Mohammed, I'm always positive, bro. Like, you'll see me be real about trading, but when it comes to like just being a normal person, positivity is the main thing. Like, look, if this hits stop loss, I will still go about my day the same as I would if it hit TP, and that's the main thing, right? You need to realize trading can, if you let trading affect you, it will just ruin you, and that is just the way I always look at trading. Trading can literally affect your whole life, and that's what I think is one of the worst things and why people quit. It could affect like your whole entire life, like the way you are with your family, the way like you are with your partner, and that's what the worst thing is about trading. Like, it can really damage you, especially when like you have, for example, Like, especially when you have mad things like say like you have a thing like what I'm doing now. I did really well the last 2 months, and you're on like this really bad run. Like that, you could take that out on your like family, and knowing that trading can do that to you is honestly the worst thing in the world. So yeah, I always say like be positive. If this is stop loss, look, I will always say it doesn't matter if it's stop loss for me. I genuinely believe we will end up profitable at the end of the month, and until I don't see that, I'll believe it. And yeah, that's the main thing with trading. Like, look, this could go to our stop loss now, or it could dump down to TP. I will still go off this live and be happy with everyone that turned out. I'll still appreciate everyone that turned out. I do not, honestly, I don't care. I do not care. So yeah, absolutely true. W Mohammed, man. Jay, you said you would take partials and let to run to TP. I was planning on letting 50% run, but how much do you let run to full TP normally? Gideon, I'll normally take at TP1. Wait, hang on, let me drag this across. So Gideon, at TP1 I'll normally take off about 80% and let 20% run, just to see what happens. You're a very humble person, Jay. I appreciate you, Hassan, my goat. W Hassan, man. But yeah, honestly, I just want to keep it real, bro. Like everyone wants to sit. I see a lot of people who trade, right? They wanna sit from their high horse and be like, oh my god, do trading, it's gonna make you a millionaire. And I'll tell you it real. It can make you a millionaire, like anything in life. But you have to be willing to go through exactly all this shit that you go through. Like it can ruin your life. And it can. Just like anything can. But trading especially, like it can ruin your life. And that's why I always say, always be positive in the live. I don't care if this hits stop loss or TP. You lot joining the live, I appreciate them more. I appreciate more. So yeah, I appreciate that the most. That you lot all join the live. You lot all support me. I appreciate that the most out of everything. So yeah, man. W everyone in the live, man. Please don't end live for the next 1 hour 15 minutes. I'll give you a musical. Yeah, you're pushing it now, bro. I'll be honest. You're pushing it now. I'm gonna hold this live until 1 hour or stop loss. That is it. I'm not holding this bad boy for 1 hour and 15, bro. I gotta go bed, mate. By the way, lads and girls, whoever's in the live, I have got to be up at 6:30 in the morning. So this is how locked in I am for you, man. 6:30 in the morning, I gotta be up, and it's fucking almost 1 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, that's how locked in I am for you, man. Took partials from a higher entry. Fair enough, Will. Fair enough. I've said a few times now, we need this bad run to get better risk management and not to work on trading mentality. 100%. 100%. W Alex, man. Big Dub J. WMs, man. WMs. If you take 80% off at TP1, you can't claim 4R, can you? Well, it depends, Mango. It depends. Because normally, I'll always say to everyone, take full position off at 4R. That is what I always say, yeah? However, you can take partials off it. I will probably... It depends. With the copier that I use, I'll take everything off at 4R. With the copier, just to secure 4R capital. That is the only reason why. But on my live account that I've got this set on, I will look at taking partials at 4R and then holding it till my to my TP2. Me too. 6:15. John, I will see you in the morning, brother. John, I'll put a message in the Discord at 6:30 and be like, John, have a good time, mate. You gave me hope that I might still get my payout, so dub J for real. W Gideon, man. W Gideon, bro. That's my king right there. Bro, you got this payout. Light work. What's happening at 6 a.m? Will, I've got to drop my girlfriend to the train station. So that's what I've got to do at what's it called, at 6 a.m. Gold, give me TP. I want to buy a laptop. Asan, ask Gold for the TP, bro. You got this. Can you phone Trump to push price down? Oh, Tinson, I got you. Hang on, mate. One sec. Yeah, you're right, Donald, mate. You're currently pushing gold to my stop loss. Can you just dump it for me, please? I don't care that your mates are in longs. I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to dump it. Alright. Tinson, he told me to go fuck myself. Sorry, mate. He's told me go fuck yourself, so we're probably cooked. Better cut my buy from 4398 now. No, Rosso, don't do that. Ooh. Japan about to drop hot CPI. This will hit TP. Ooh. Go on, Samus. Go on. Jay, know the feeling, mate. I'm up at 6 a.m. every morning. Big Rick, so was I when I went. What's it called? Big Rick, when I was working my job, that is all I used to do. Literally, I used to wake up at 6 every morning. Well, I actually used to wake up at 5:30, to be fair. So yeah, 5:30. Used to wake up. Not literally wake up at 5:30. Go down, do work, be under a diesel engine, all that shit, and yeah. What is your trading strategy? How's total P&L looking? And what do you do for work? Brown cow, I don't work now. I'm a full-time day trader, and last month I did 80. Last month I did 40R, which is if you risk 1 grand, you would make 40 grand. Follow my signals. Before that, I did about 30R. So yeah, I did about 70 to 80R. I did 80R on my live, but yeah, 70 to 80R in the last 2 months. So that's my P&L for the last 2 months. 1 a.m. for you, 10 a.m. for me. Ricky, W mans, 10 a.m. on the live at 10 a.m. That's crazy. The trend is uptrend in 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. There is no buy before 1 hour. You know what, Royal Trading? You've looked at the chart on the 4 hour and seen candles go up. Thank you. I know it's an uptrend. W John, man. I'm up at 6:30 as well. W Sean, man. Festival, right? Where we go for the festival? Well, let's do it. I miss my girlfriend. Drakaya. Where's your girlfriend now? Bro, 6 a.m. Let's fucking go. Driving to Coventry from London. We can all suffer together. 100% Chigsy. I agree, bro. I agree. Tinson's laughing. Not missed a daily open live yet. And don't intend to. W Big Rick, man. Bro, you're cooked. Mohammed, probably. You know what, Mohammed? Probably. But what's it gonna do? Gonna hit my stop loss. Oh no. Oh. You know what, Mohammed? The way I've been cursed this month, I'll take it on the chin, bro. I'm taking on the chin. God, I really thought I was the only one that's cursed. Jasper, right? You know what the best thing about these lives are? You can see a full-time day trader who's been cursed. This shows that it's like normal. You know what I mean? Literally 92.7% win rate in June, 85% win rate in July. August, get fucked. Look, like Jasper, this shows you, yeah, right? That is fine. Like, shit happens in trading, bro. It does. Like, stop losses happen. You get fucked in trading. It happens every time, mate. And this is the thing that's okay. Everyone thinks, right, that their system's shit after like a couple stop losses in a row. Brother, your system is not shit. Your systems are not shit. Your system works. It's just gold does this, and it's okay. Like, look, this will hit my stop loss now probably because we took the high, and I genuinely think we'll go hit stop loss now. But that is completely fine, right? Completely fine. The curse will live on, and that is completely fine. There is a reason why this curse is happening, and I'm completely fine with it. You're too old for him, Jay. Alex, I'm never too old. 10 past 5 a.m. regimented. Jesus, is it $2 range for now? Real. Jay, call the gold down. Asan, I tried calling Trump. He told me to go fuck myself, mate. Feds, all XAUSD. I trade bonds. Yeah, all XAUSD. Brown cow. Moving to Asia on Sunday, so going to be weird catching lives. Oh, Rosso, that's weird. Need a song on to make it go down. Well, Lewis, we have it stop loss again. Yeah, there she is. Happy with that. Oil opening in 5 minutes, yeah. So there you go, look. This could, you know what? I will be as confident to say is, this will probably go down to our TP now after wicking us out of stop loss. Because that's what we've had to deal with the whole life. So yeah. Anyway, guys, as I said, right, you're too old for Trump. Alex, stop it, bro. But as I said, as soon as stop loss or 1R, I'm ending the live. Boom. Happy with that. Stop loss is it, and I will just leave this on my chart to simmer, and then I'll probably what's it called? I'll probably go on my chart in the morning, and it will dump through to my TP, and just like it did yesterday, just like it did the day before. But like, that is the main thing. Jay, you trade too early into the Asia session. So musical. If you haven't been on my lives, right? You look at the last month's lives, yeah. I hit TP on this exact strat, 6 times in a row, making 24R in a week, right? So how is that too early? You tell me. Thanks, Jay. Cheers, mate. Jay, you still holding your bike? I will do Gideon. Yeah, I will. But yeah. Anyway, guys. I appreciate you all joining. Appreciate you all joining the live. Appreciate you all every day joining the live. But yeah, man. W ColezTrades. W the lives. W man. W everything, man. But yeah. All these new people talking like they know how it works in these streams. You tell them, Alex, bro. But yeah, I'll see you all in the morning, yeah. And love you all, man. Appreciate you all joining the live. W turnout, W lives, W everyone, man. Let me say bye to you all, man. What are we saying? In a bit XR2, in a bit Brown Cow, in a bit Reese, Clint, XR2, Gideon, Falak, Paul, Brown Cow, Arters, the software, Gideon, Alex, Paul, Chigsy, Jason, Gideon, DIJ, Big Rick, Joe, Mohammed, Alex, Gideon, Ems, Plague, John, Ian, Ricky, Rosso. Yeah, man, I'll see you all in a bit, alright? Peace.